It takes vision to dream big. It takes foresight to see the potential of uncharted territory. It takes courage to envision a better world. It takes the visionary touch of a master to shape the future. It takes a true pioneer to look forward into the future and leave a legacy for generations to come. With foresight and the Midas touch, one team has changed the face of the biofuel industry. Welcome to SSK Bharat Group, envisioning a quantum leap in modern living. It all began in 2017 when Advocate Shyam Shankar Upadhyay, a client and a friend, invited Mr. Kartik Rawal to a biofuel business seminar. At that time, Mr. Kartik had been involved in the real estate industry for almost 20 years. Mr. Kartik had profound, deep understanding of the necessity, benefit, and future of this sector after listening to the presentation. And thus, two like-minded visionaries came together with one purpose in mind: to revolutionize the industry with streamlined procedures and systems, and spreading it on a pan-India level. They originally began working for Meera Clean Fuels Limited, a firm that aimed to construct biofuel plants. Mr. Shyam Shankar Upadhyay and Mr. Kartik Rawal began promoting this company throughout India in a variety of venues. It was difficult, though. Information on a new idea and market was difficult to share. Few knew about this sector. However, they are still working hard, and people are beginning to respond favorably to them. Nonetheless, the global coronavirus pandemic struck India in 2020. They now felt that creating their own platform was necessary to provide better service and engage with people on a ground level. The result was the establishment of SSK Bharat Management and Media Private Limited in July 2020. As a consultant, SSK Bharat assisted Meera Clean Fuels Limited in signing numerous memorandums of understanding, MOUs, with state governments, particularly those in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Himachal Pradesh, thereby propelling the company to unprecedented heights in its network expansion endeavors throughout India. Along the way, the SSK Bharat Group has hosted conferences and seminars around India and has won numerous honors and accolades from different organizations. An inventive mind shapes history and the future. SSK Bharat Management India Private Limited currently operates in 20 states of India, 250 districts, 700 talukas, and a network of more than 25 lakh farmers through more than 250 farmer producer organizations. SSK Bharat Group has already exceeded a turnover of more than 150 crore rupees in the last 4 years since its founding, with net revenue of more than 40 crore rupees. Commitment to excellence is always the motto behind everything we do. Along this exciting path, we expanded into new territories and established SSK Bharat Nirman, a subsidiary that handles all infrastructure and project-related operations for the SSK Bharat Group. SSK Bharat Food and Beverages Private Limited, also known as SSK Bharat Fab, was subsequently established. Here we are using a completely novel and distinctive strategy to do business in both consumer durables and cosmetics, which will make history in the years to come. Accompanying this, we have also established SSK Bharat Business Building Initiative Private Limited. SSK Bharat BBI is a platform for business networking and growth that assists entrepreneurs in achieving their business objectives and identifying their ideal clients. We have also ventured in the IT sector. Virtue Think and SSK Bharat Anand Innovation Private Limited is now digital, an IT division for SSK Bharat Group of Company especially focusing on social media, digital marketing, and development of new software and innovative AI-based solutions. In addition, we have established companies such as Shyam Shankar Renewable Fuel and Nature Care Private Limited, Danu Mahalakshmi Clean Fuels and Nature Care Private Limited, Kashi Vishwanath Clean Fuels and Nature Care Private Limited, and many more. Especially working in biofuel, biofertilizers and biopesticides, FMCG products, dairy industry, and other essential eco-friendly products. These businesses have now begun working on their own projects. We have gone from strength to strength because of our sheer determination to never lose sight of its driving force. Our eyes are always on enriching humanity, a core value that drives everything SSK Bharat does. Demonstrating our commitment to the community, we have established a non-government organization, Sujlam Suflam Foundation. The goal of this NGO is to provide safe drinking water to people living in remote areas of India, as well as to do plantation of trees and forests. We have successfully completed a project in a village of Mukhara, Palghar district, where we have provided safe drinking water to village people. Presently, SSK Bharat Group comprises over 18 companies and holds stakes in over 35 new startup companies, with the core team 50 plus in-office employees and more than 150 entrepreneur leaders spread across India. SSK Bharat Management and Media Private Limited has reached a new milestone. It has now become a public limited company. This has been possible under the visionary leadership of Advocate Shyam Shankar Upadhyay, Chairperson of SSK Bharat. We are also proud to announce his prestigious appointment as the Trade Commissioner of Eurasia. His role will expand the global reach of SSK Bharat Group. Introducing the SSK Bharat Startup Revolution, a bold initiative that will start new ventures across a spectrum of eco-friendly, sustainable and essential industries. We look forward for you to join hands with us and become a part of our startup revolution. For the first time in history, a startup company is building its own mini industry and a business park, a one-of-its-kind venture in Varanasi. This project is jointly developed by SSK Bharat Management and Media Limited and Kashi Vishwanath Clean Fuels and Nature Care Private Limited. The business park will be known as SSK Bharat Kashi Vishwanath Mini Industry and Business Park. We have started venturing in bio-coal production, torrefied and non-torrefied, activated carbon, and dairy industries, to cattle feed, masala, edible oils, tomato ketchup, and compostable plastics. We are combining industries under one roof. Our vision is to empower rural communities and reduce urban migration from villages. Under these startups, we will also do business related to biofertilizers, FMCG products, eco-friendly natural products, food grains, vegetables, and much more. By providing local employment opportunities and promoting sustainable chemical-free living, we are contributing to both environmental and social well-being. This initiative can have a significant impact on supporting underdeveloped regions and fostering a healthier planet while aligning with our goal to make Bharat a global leader again. We are on our path to initiate 51 similar projects as in the year 2025-26 and total 500 projects by 2030. We plan to do listing of IPOs of all these startup companies. Today, as SSK Bharat, we are all set to unveil the brighter future with our perfect blend of foresight, strategy, initiative, and entrepreneurship. We are well on our way to achieving our dreams. Let your dreams take shape with us. We aim to build the foundations of New India, empower society, and protect the environment. It aligns with the concept of sustainable growth by providing chemical-free food and natural, eco-friendly products. All these factors align with our goal to make Bharat Atmanirbhar and Vishwa Guru again. Welcome to SSK Bharat Group. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Shubham Bhavatu Sarvata.